only in the country.
Right, Abhishek, thank you for sharing all those details. We have to cut across to breaking news that's coming in. This is the BJP that is protesting against the Congress party after the Prime Minister was abused in a rally in Bihar. These are the live shots that we're getting from Patna. The BJP is holding a massive protest outside the Congress over the alleged derogatory remarks against the Prime Minister in a Congress event that was held yesterday. Remember, the BJP had come out with a tweet where they had alleged that there was a man who was sitting in the crowd, who stood up, who abused the Prime Minister along with his mother, and this was in a rally that was being led by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. The Darbhanga police has today arrested a man for making objectionable and indecent remarks against the Prime Minister. The accused, Mohammad Rizvi alias Raja, is a resident of Bhavpura village in Singwara. The BJP is demanding unconditional apology from the Congress party. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, along with the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, had also tweeted a while back where they had condemned the incident that had happened. There are massive protests that are being held. Live visuals right now on your screen from Patna, where the police is trying to control the situation. But the BJP workers seem to go all out against the Congress party. They are now pelting stones, demanding apology, and trying to push through the gates and enter the Congress party office. This is from Patna. They are demanding an apology from the Congress party for the kind of language that was used against the Prime Minister and his mother by a man allegedly said to be a Congress cadre who stood up when the rally was being held by Rahul Gandhi. He stood up and he abused the Prime Minister along with his mother. The man, however, has been arrested, but it remains to be seen on if this man was working on the behest of a political party. Was he a political stooge, or what did he make those comments independently? Live visuals on your screen right now where the workers of the BJP have invaded the Congress office. They have gherraud the Congress office in Patna. They're demanding an unconditional apology from the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi, to be specific, to seek an apology from the Prime Minister. They demand that the Congress party must seek an apology, and they owe an apology to the Prime Minister because the incident that happened at the rally in which Rahul Gandhi was leading the rally. He was talking on SIR. That's exactly the moment when a alleged Congress cadre stood up and he abused the Prime Minister along with his mother. There were some very indecent and obnoxious remarks that were made by the accused. Mohammad Rizvi is his name. He has today been arrested. This is a controversy that erupted in poll-bound Bihar after abusive language was used against the Prime Minister and his late mother by some Congress workers during Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra. The BJP has filed an FIR in